Greetings to the motovlogging community, subscribers and fellow YouTubers alike. Triktacular here, out and about today on Dusty, along with Mrs. Triktacular, just about to go on one of our favorite mountainous roads here, and then we'll slowly make our way to our Harley Davidson dealership and check out what's going on there. Maybe have a coffee. So for today's topic, I thought I would entitle it Motorcycles and Bicycles. I was just thinking the other day, it would be interesting to know how many of you still ride a bicycle as well, whether it be one of those sleek 10-speed bicycles or a mountain bike if you go on the trails. I think the last time I rode a bicycle was when I was about 17 years old, and haven't ridden one since. I remember, I think I was in my early teens, and we had ordered a 10-speed model, which were all the rage then, back in the early 70s, and it finally was delivered in a big box, partially unassembled, and just on the day it was delivered, I was going with my parents on a vacation. We were leaving that morning, so we had to just put the box in the garage, and then I had to wait about a good week and a half to 2 weeks till we got back from our vacation, and my dad helped me assemble it. It was a green 10-speed, not a real expensive model, but it had the white wrapped handlebars, those kind that kind of turn down, and I rode it quite a bit, used it for my deliveries on my paper route. But today I think I would feel safer riding a motorcycle than a bicycle. Our city now has quite a few bike lanes, and I guess the bike lanes are increasing in popularity. I imagine there's quite a few of them in various towns and cities now. Speaking of bicycles, here's one fella right now heading up the hill. That might have been a lady though as well. So I just feel, you know, when you're riding on the edge of the road in those bike lanes, if you do, it seems pretty dangerous with a lot of the cars whipping by you. Somehow I feel more comfortable on the motorcycle being either in the 1, 2, or 3 lane position. So I would welcome your thoughts on that, and do you still ride a motorcycle? Or not a motorcycle, but a bicycle. I had to think there, slow down a bit, that very uneven piece of pavement it gives you quite a jolt if you go over it at a high speed. So that's the gist of today's topic. Bicycles. Do you still ride a bicycle? Or if not, when was the last time you rode a bicycle? So I'd like to thank you for coming along on this ride today. Hope you're all doing well and able to get out for a ride. So until next time, this has been Triketacular along with Mrs. Triketacular. Wishing you a pleasant day. So until next time, take care and ride safe. Bye-bye.